Hello everyone, as you know, today is 29th July and we are going to discuss the explanation of the second chapter class 7th recitation the master artist second chapter that is the master artist. Okay, and Carol More, the writer is Carol More. Okay, so in this chapter, as I am going to tell you that we have discussed the short summary of this chapter, but today I am going to start the explanation of this chapter, and the explanation is that Monsieur Signy first away had been a master artist of his day. Means you can say that Monsieur means here Mister. In French language, the meaning of Monsieur is a Mister. Mr. Signy Away had been a master artist of his day, and in 1392 was ready to retire when in the month of May, Mr. Signy Away was near about to retire. Giuliano Bartoli, a rich Italian patron. As you know, the meaning of patron is a person who supports artists and writers. Sent for him. On his arrival, Bartoli said, I would like a portrait of myself on the wall. Okay, when he reached, means on his arrival, he said that he would like a portrait of himself on the wall of my dining hall, means his dining hall, where everyone can see it. Okay, could you paint it? The wall is 20 feet long, means 20 feet tall. You can say that. Here this was a question for the Signy Away, that can you able to paint this wall, and the wall is 20 feet tall. And in the second passage, Monsieur Away looked thoughtful for a moment when he was asked to paint a tall wall. At that time, he was thoughtful for a moment and then shook his head. I'm sorry. Means in the shaking of head, you can know the reply of positive or negative. It depends the shaking of head. Means he said he was sorry, but I don't think so. Means he did not think so. I'm ready to retire. Means he is ready to retire. So I'm not available for her. Means he was not available for her. However, seeing the disappointment is signal Bartoli eyes. He continued, well, there is a possibility if you think you can allow me to use my ability to the fullest, if you let me find out how far I can go an artist, not for money mind you, but for food and a bed instead. You need not even pose because my memory is excellent. Already I can see your portrait in my mind, but I insist, Signor Bartoli, that while I work, your portrait must remain hidden even from you. Okay guys, so you can say that this story belongs to a artist. Okay, next, how strange thought the patron, but he also thought, I don't know, patron means a person who supports artists and writer. Means how strange that thought the patron, means here writer is telling that what kinds of the thought of patron related to that person was. Okay, related to that person was. So, but he also thought about how highly the artist had been recommended. Of course, he said anything you wish, but I insist at least upon paying you something for your effort. Let us up a contract. Means here the writer is telling that it was a very strange thought of for the patron means the thought of patron was very amazing, and his also thought was about how highly the artist had been recommended. Okay, so he insisted at least upon paying him something for his effort. So next passage is that now Glen came to Monsieur Avage eyes as he gazed upon that 20-foot tall wall and thought of all that space, such a wonderful space to give his imagination wings. Okay, so in this way we can say that this was the condition. Now a gleam came to Monsieur Ave's eyes as he gazed upon that 20-foot tall wall and thought of all that space, such a wonderful space to give his imagination wings, because unknown to Sinar Bertolli or indeed anyone else for all of his career of for 40 years, Monsieur Ave had longed to paint in his own way. And what was way was that? Certainly not the popular styles of the time. So Monsieur Saini Ave had hungered to break free of restraint, but the guide, means you can say that guild, his craft and livelihood would never have allowed it, so he followed their rules. Although he was never proud of it, of course, he did not reveal this to Sinar Bertolli. Okay, so here you can say that Glandish sudden brightness in the eyes, showing happiness or excitement, give his imagination related to it that beings allow his imagination to work freely, so that